Hello. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, a place where forgotten materials find new meaning, where creativity meets intention, and where every small idea has the power to grow into something truly valuable. Today's journey begins not in a showroom or a luxury store, but in quiet corners filled with scrap wood, worn metal, and overlooked remnants of the past materials many would walk past without a second glance. At Kuki Decor, we see these scraps differently. We see stories waiting to be continued, beauty waiting to be revealed, and opportunity waiting for hands willing to create. This video, Scrap to Stunning Transformations, Profitable Wood Metal Decor Ideas You Can Make, is an invitation to slow down, to look closer, and to reimagine what's possible when creativity leads the way. Imagine running your hand across a rough wooden plank, its surface marked by time, its edges imperfect, its grain rich with history. Nearby, a piece of metal rests quietly rusted, scratched, bent just enough to show it has lived a life before now. Alone, these materials may seem ordinary. Together, they become powerful. Wood brings warmth, memory, and soul. Metal brings strength, contrast, and structure. When these two materials meet, something special happens, something modern homes crave deeply. This balance between softness and strength is what makes wood and metal decor timeless and emotionally engaging. Across today's interiors, people are searching for decor that feels authentic, grounded, and meaningful. They are tired of mass-produced sameness and want pieces that feel handmade, intentional, and real. This is where scrap wood and metal decor truly shines. With thoughtful design and simple techniques, humble materials can become wall art that commands attention, shelving that blends beauty with function, lighting that glows with character, and decor accents that feel both rustic and refined. These transformations do not require expensive tools or perfect workshops. They require vision, patience, and respect for the material. Often, the goal is not to erase the past but to celebrate it. Scratches, knots, weld marks, and weathered textures are not flaws, they are proof of authenticity and life. One of the most important lessons in profitable decor creation understands that people don't buy materials, they buy stories and feelings. A shelf made from reclaimed wood and blackened steel isn't just storage, it represents sustainability, craftsmanship, and individuality. A small wood and metal table becomes a place where memories are made, not just furniture in a room. Profit doesn't come from excess, it comes from intention. Scrap materials often cost very little, yet their transformation can dramatically increase their value. Every thoughtful cut, balanced proportion, and clean finish adds meaning. Leaving the grain visible, preserving natural imperfections, and using honest finishes can elevate a piece far beyond its humble beginnings. Simplicity plays a powerful role in these designs. Clean lines allow materials to speak. Neutral tones create flexibility. Minimal structures highlight texture and form. A simple wall rack made from scrap, wood and metal hooks can fit seamlessly into modern apartments, rustic homes, cafes, and creative studios. These are the kinds of pieces people search for and buy repeatedly. At Kuki Decor, we believe crafting is storytelling. Every project begins with a question: what does this material want to become? Old metal frames become bold outlines for wall art. Scrap wood panels transform into textured surfaces that feel warm and alive. Industrial pipes become lighting fixtures that glow softly instead of feeling cold. Understanding trends helps, but following them blindly is never the goal. Industrial, rustic, modern, minimalist, and organic styles all reflect a desire for grounding in a fast, digital world. Wood and metal decor offers balance. It connects nature with structure, warmth with edge. When you create with this emotional understanding, your work naturally resonates. Finishing touches often bring the biggest transformation. A light sanding can reveal hidden beauty. Natural oils deepen warmth. Matte black metal adds a modern edge, while clear sealants preserve industrial character. These simple decisions shape how a piece feels and how it's valued. One of the most powerful things about scrap decor is accessibility. You don't need large investments to begin. Start with what you have. Learn. Each piece teaches you something new. Over time, your style becomes clearer, your confidence grows, and your creations become more refined. Beyond profit, there is fulfillment. There is pride in knowing you gave new life to something discarded. There is satisfaction in seeing your work admired, used, and loved. And there is purpose in contributing to sustainability through creativity. Every transformation sends a message. Beauty does not require perfection, only vision. When people bring your piece into their home, they bring your story with it. That connection is powerful and lasting. At Kuki Decor, we share these stories daily because creativity should feel warm, achievable, and meaningful. Whether you are creating for your own space, for others, or for a growing business, your hands have the power to transform what's overlooked into something extraordinary. As we reach the end of today's journey, remember that every stunning piece begins with a simple choice to see value where others do not. Scrap wood and metal are not limitations. They are invitations to imagine differently. Thank you for spending your time with Kuki Decor. We post videos daily to inspire creativity, sustainability, and craftsmanship. If this video inspired you, like it, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support helps this creative community grow. Until next time, keep creating, keep imagining, and keep turning scrap into something truly stunning.